If you have ever tried to make carnivore pancakes but ended up with an egg scramble that was just pretending to be breakfast, this one's for you. Today I'm making a high protein pancake that is made with our famous total milk protein, but I am adding two game-changing ingredients that is going to totally change the texture, and that is gelatin and cream cheese. These will actually flip and not break apart, and they taste dangerously close to cheesecake pancakes without the carbs. So let's cook. I have all of our ingredients already measured out. We have cream cheese, beef gelatin, total milk protein powder, a couple eggs. We have some butter, which I'm going to melt. We have some heavy cream as well that will help thin out the mixture if it is too thick. And I have a new beef tallow that I'm using from Keto Stat. I'm going to fry the pancakes up in the beef tallow. And if you would like to use beef tallow in the mixture instead of butter, you can do it. And if you are a little dirty, as in dirty carnivore, then you can add in some vanilla and sweetener, totally optional. So first thing, gelatin hates to be dumped straight into the batter. So I am going to add about a tablespoon of this warm water and just let it sit while I mix up my eggs and cream cheese. So now I'm going to mix my eggs and my softened cream cheese together until it's absolutely smooth. No lumps. We are not making cottage cheese pancakes today. Now we're going to add our melted butter and our bloomed gelatin. Now we're going to slowly whisk in our total milk protein powder. So the mixture is going to be thick. When it hits the heat and starts cooking, it will spread out. If it's too thick, just add a teaspoon of heavy cream or water at a time until you get the consistency that you want. We're going to let this sit for a few minutes so that the protein can hydrate. This is actually an important step and it really matters with the milk protein. And right now is a great time to put your skillet on medium-low heat to get ready to cook these pancakes up. Look at that liquid gold. Doesn't that look delicious? This is what we're going to use to fry our pancakes up. Just a little bit is all we need. Now I am going to use an ice cream scoop to scoop out my batter. We are going to cook these for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until you get that golden color and the edges start to set. Look at that, no breaking and no egg scrambled drama when we flip our pancakes. Now, if your batter sits here and you think that it's a little too thick, feel free to add some water or more heavy cream. We all know that gelatin gets a little bit thicker as it sits. Ooh, look at that, you guys. We are getting somewhere. Why is it that the first pancake never turns out beautiful? It's always 2 or 3 in. How is that for perfection? Look at that, you guys. These are soft and fluffy and a little bit crispy on the edges, and they actually hold together. The cream cheese is going to keep them moist. The gelatin gives it the structure, and that protein powder gives it the high protein base. This is probably the closest thing that I have ever had and made that resembles real pancakes and doesn't look sad. These are beautiful. Let's taste one. Look at that butter melt. This is going to be the moment of truth, you guys. This is totally giving me pancake vibes without blowing the carb count. If you like my carnivore biscuits or any of the cream cheese recipes, you're going to absolutely love this. If you like your pancakes sweet and you want to add some sugar-free syrup, these are delicious, y'all. Just like the real deal. So good. I'm gonna eat this whole plate. Because I can't stop. So if this helps you, hit like and subscribe. Share it with a friend who is so tired of not being able to enjoy pancakes on a carnivore diet. Drop a comment below and tell me next, savory or sweet pancakes. And as always, stay keto, stay carnivore, and stay a little unwrapped.
Oh, really?
Do you like your treats? Get your treats. You got them? That's shrimp, boy. You like your turkey hearts? Are you so excited? Go get your shrimp. You want a piece of shrimp? Do you want a piece of shrimp? Huh?
Shake
You want a
it.
piece of shrimp?
Shake it. Shake it.
You gonna get a piece of shrimp.